The simple future tense, the last one. Again, here you have a particular format. I will buy a phone tomorrow. I will buy a phone tomorrow. So this is in the active voice. Subject, verb, and then object. I will buy a phone tomorrow. In passive voice, it changes to a phone will be bought by me tomorrow. A phone will be bought by me tomorrow. She will discuss the matter soon. She will discuss the matter soon. Active voice. If you change it into the passive voice, it would be the matter will be discussed by her soon. The matter will be discussed by her soon. He will do the work shortly. He will do the work shortly. The work will be done by him shortly. The work will be done by him shortly. She will go home. She will go home this evening. She will go home this evening. There is no sentence in the passive voice as you don't have a direct object. So this remains in the active voice. They will wash clothes this evening. They will wash clothes this evening. Active voice. If you change it into the passive voice, it would be clothes will be washed by them this evening. Clothes will be washed by them this evening.